Looking for a simple, secure, and stress-free solution to manage G Suite email signatures across your business? Choose Rocketseed Email Signature Manager for G Suite. Here's how it works. You compose your email as normal, and when you click Send, Gmail routes your email to the Rocketseed server, which applies your branded signature and any marketing banner campaign you may have assigned. This ensures all branding is 100% tamper-proof. The fully branded email is then either securely resubmitted to G Suite via a closed SMTP loop, or alternatively, it can be sent directly to the recipient or through a spam filter prior to recipient delivery. The corporate email branding assets applied by Rocketseed are controlled with a Google distribution group, with all group members' emails routed to the Rocketseed cloud. You also have the option of routing your whole domain. Alternatively, you can install a dedicated Rocketseed instance so that branding occurs securely in your own on-prem or cloud environments. The branded email will display perfectly on every device. Remember, Rocketseed don't view or store the content of your email. You are in complete control via our browser-based interface with admin rights. Initial setup is simple, and once complete, Rocketseed's G Suite Sync enables all your staff data to seamlessly sync into the Rocketseed database, so all your staff signatures are updated automatically. And it's all super secure. Rocketseed servers are firewall protected and consistently audited. Our data centers are regularly backed up and meet the highest certification standards. Rocketseed software is routinely security audited and penetration tested. Rocketseed supports TLS encryption on the mail flow, and the user interface has role-based access levels using secure connections. And we're always there to help you through every step with full training and 24-hour technical support. Simple to deploy and manage, super secure, and saves you time and effort. Rocketseed Email Signature Manager for G Suite. Contact us today to book a personalized demo.